from this planet. This man is not from this planet.
Show him your unique abilities.
Oh!
Captain! Captain!
Ultimate frisbee to the car. Oh!
Captain!
A signature Scante vehicle. Keys for the ignition are right here.
Oh, let's go. Put it in his butt. Put it in his butt.
Get in, house. Wait,
You can't even get in.
Whoa!
put on that little shit. You don't want to drop it.
Yeah.
Get the fuck in your car!
I'm calling the police on you. I'm calling the police on you.
Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, you too much. Ain't enough.
I've been balling out every season. We're sponsored by we're sponsored by Bank of America. Like, give it out, bro. Literally, shout out, huh? Yeah, shout out Bank of America. Ooh, Wells Fargo. I hop in the jet. I land in Quebec. Got some fresh new glasses. What you guys think? Let me know. Rate. Smash your pass. Leave a rate in the comments. Oh, thank you.
Ladies first.
Nice guy, nice guy.
Ladies first.
Where are the meters?
They were right here before.
Oh, what? They got exotic soda? I want a beer, but also want like a Coco U, a beer, and a coffee.
And you want it in your blood.
If you're a YouTuber, this is essential, right?
Yeah. Okay. The quality is fire.
iPhone camera, ain't gotta cut it, guys, okay? It can't be cheap.
Let me step on. Let me step on. Oh, there we go. Behind the scenes, you already know. We're gonna go get some grill. It's on Sunday, but you know the grind don't stop.
Grind, don't stop. Look at this. Oh, looks fire.
Yeah, that's fire.
Fire.
Can I get one slice of the pineapple? Yes.
Hey, do you think pineapple belongs on pizza?
Hell yeah, it does.
Fire. If you don't like pineapple on your pizza, retweet.
Disagree?
Let me know. What is this combination? Can I get a combination and a pineapple as well? What y'all about to order?
Y'all got the Hawaiians. Oh, you just killed them.
The last one, we killed it.
Hey, nah, but that's Sunday today. We're gonna upload a video today.
We got the Wayfire. The Weefy OG. Hey, let me find out those 3 numbers. We all in. We all in.
Bank account.
Giveaway.
Debit card giveaway.
Giveaway. They're making that pizza.
Pizza.
Oh, you got next to Chewy. My boy's sitting on the baby chair. Y'all get away. Wah. Bitch on the baby.
You ain't got nothing, you gon' leave.
It's one of the Avengers. Man.
What happened to this man?
Go behind the scenes, you know. You're always working.
Pokemon on here.
You guys eating a pizza right now?
Salud, primo.
Oh. To be honest, it's hella hoppy. You know? Hella hoppy. The hops.
Scante!
Que huele el pincho hocico. In my nose. Really right here. You're eating, that's why.
A huevo. Ni modo que huela a flores, animal.
Hell yeah. Hey, the camera was right here and my nose is like right here. I was like, oh.
Scante.
Cheers. Do this for the vlog.
I might do it when you get off. I might.
Diabetes.
It's ranch.
Oh yeah, you're right. I thought it was diabetes in the cup. Tasted like ranch. My dude is dying. Oh, extra thickums.
Not as thick as you, hot.
Oh, fit check.
I got stains. Look right here.
Oh shit.
Stain number 1. Stain number 2. Number 3. Puro pinche tajín, no mames.
He's not from this planet. This man is not from this planet.
Show him your unique abilities.
I wanna kiss you, baby.
No, hey, Bert. Who wants to put me in?
Hey, X-rated.
Oh, what is that?
When he jumped.
Smell your hand. Oh, damn. Stankin'. Got a frisbee out of that? Why'd you get a frisbee out there, man?
Ready? Watch this.
Oh!
Captain! Captain!
Ultimate frisbee to the car.
Oh! Just a dip. Ultimate Frisbee Challenge. 100 likes? We're jumping in. We're nose diving in this.
I just want everybody to know that, even including the man behind the camera, every single man here is a certified eater. A signature Scante vehicle. Keys for the ignition are right here.
Oh, let's go. Put it in his butt. Put it in his butt.
Get in, house. Wait, what am I?
You can't even get in. Okay.
Stop now.
Just a Oh, I thought you were gonna do that shit.
Yeah, alright.
Dude, you guys are crazy.
My left butt cheek hurts. You guys aren't the one that fell out of a fucking cart. Let's do it again.
Chick-fil-A, fire, you gotta sponsor the kids. Chick-fil-A, huh? Open on a Sunday, your boy's hungry. Chick-fil-A. Hey, let's go re-up our money. Let me re-up. Hey, you fucking dickhead.
This shit, man. About the car real quick.
Whoa, whoa.
You put on that little shit, you don't want to drop it.
Yeah.
Get the fuck in your car!
I'm calling the police on you! I'm calling the police on you!
They're right there, fucker!
Gotta keep going. What? Get him! Hot pursuit! Hey, block him up, block him up! Later, later! Miss Scouts! You're not coming in, Miss Scante.
Whoa! Hey, how's it going?
Lady. Hey, I'm calling the police. My man's Jeffrey. It looks like his name's Jeffrey. Oh, Jeffrey. Why they call him Sex, huh? Just Sex. Wow.
I got 3 white bitches like it's holiday. Mink coat with the rolls like a Sharpay. And all of my bitches since they call them Barbies. She looking back like I'm flexing, baby, no way.
Can't even reach the steering wheel. How fools be driving. Wow. That's a wizard right there in that XR car, huh? What is his wizardry? Wizardry. Watch out, he might be casting a spell.
Quit casting spells, you wizard. You're a f***ing squanty wizard.
We don't associate with